Hello, children. So, all of you ready to learn? Yeah, I can see the Darsh. Darsh is always ready. Yes. So, dear children, today we will start our class with some experiment. As I told you in earlier period, that next period we are going to play a game of a water, and that is called as an experiment. That is called as an experiment. I hope you read this. I hope you read this chapter. And what is there in that chapter? You might have heard the two words. It may be regular in your use. That is the sink and float. There are so many objects. You might have played this game when you are young or either today also. Yes. Have you played any game with the water? May I know from Samyak Shelar? Samyak Shelar, have you played any game with the water?
Yes, sir.
May I know the name of a game?
Holy.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now I would like to ask Shikhar Prajapati, have
Yes,
you
sir.
played the game with the water? Have you enjoyed while playing in the water?
Yes, sir.
What you play?
I play.
Okay, Holi, yeah, Holi is quite famous. Yeah, no doubt. So, dear children, today also we are playing a game with the water. Just we have to put some object and we have to observe it. This is the observation. There are so many objects, but now you are already stuck off in your houses. So if you have the glass, a transparent glass, so you can observe it easily. So we will start this. If you have the glass, you can also follow me. And is it visible to you all? Please pin up me. If you pin up me, then it will be more visible. Now, I'm just taking some object and you have to guess first whether it will float or whether it will sink. Can you name this object? I'm asking to Sakshi Patil. Sakshi, can you name this object? Sakshi Patil. Samiksha Patil. Yeah.
A key.
A key. This is a key. Now, can you guess whether this object will float or it will sink in the water? What is
Float.
your opinion?
Float.
It will float. Okay. No.
Float on the water. Float.
It will float on the water. What is meant by float? Can I ask to Shaurya Ugale?
Terna.
Ah, yes, Piyush Das, you rightly said Tairna.
It will
Okay.
sink.
It will sink. Arya Karatmol said it will sink. Gaurav Godwinde, can you guess this key will sink in the water or it will float in the water? It will float on the water.
It will
Yes?
sink in the water because it has metal.
Okay, it is a metal. It is a metal object. Let me do. Now you can see. Yeah, the key is sink in the water. The key has gone to the bottom. Yes. So this object sink in the water. This is a metal, but in a scientific
But
word,
it has many places, but
high
it
density.
is very.
And high density, if you heard the word density, you may not know, but the weight of this key is more. Now I'm showing you your familiar object. Can you name this object Utkarsh Baiskar? Utkarsh, can you name this object?
Pencil.
Please, other mute yourself. You are getting chance. Yeah.
Pencil.
Utkarsh, yeah, Utkarsh, this object will float or sink in the water? It will float or sink?
Float.
Okay. Let me ask one more student. Darsh Telang, this pencil will float or sink in the water?
Float.
Yeah, okay. Let me try and just find out. Yeah, it's floating. It's not going to the bottom. If you observe here, I hope it is visible to you all. Yes, please pin up and observe it. Yeah. The pencil is floating. Pencil is floating.
बैकग्राउंड की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा अच्छे तरीके से.
Okay, I will stop the background. Very nice observation. This I want. This I want. So I'm just changing the background so that it will be clear and visible. Yeah. Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah. It's clear now. Now I would like to ask new child, Shaurya Ugale and Shivraj Jagtav. Can you name this object? Name this object.
Pen. Top of the
This
pen.
is the top of a pen,
Pen.
cap of a pen. This is the cap of a pen. Whether it will sink in the water or whether it will float on the water. I'm asking Jagtav and Shaurya. Yeah,
Float. Float.
will float on the water. Let me try. Yes, absolutely. Your observation, your guess is absolutely right. But unfortunately, if you observe carefully, it sink also because the cap is open. The cap is open, and because of that, it sink. But it's a plastic, it has to float. And let me take another example of the pen. I will take a small piece of a pen, a part of a pen. Now this is the top of the pen I'm taking. Now you can see it is floating. An object which float on the water. Some object, they are floating on the water, and there are some object, they are sinking in the water. Another one, it's quite familiar to you. It's familiar to you, the mender, the sharpener.
ये सिंक हो जाएगा.
It will float or sink. You can answer too.
Sink.
Let me do. Yeah, it's sinking because some part of metal is there. There is a hole, and because of that, water is occupied and water is collected. And please help me. Now I'm taking out. So you have to take so many objects available in your house, and you first guess out, and then you have to do this experiment. The last object, yeah, Shubhra, I can see you after a long gap. Shubhra, I think your camera is working now. Nice to see you. Shubhra, what is this? Shubhra.
It's a lemon.
It's a lemon. What is the taste of lemon?
Sour.
Okay. So today your paper also there. So you should know the taste also. Yes. So can you guess me whether it will float or whether it will sink in the water? It's a whole lemon. It will sink. Okay, let me try. Now see your observation. What happened?
It's floating.
Yeah, it's floating on the water. No doubt. So first of all, what we are doing here, we are guessing. We are guessing whether the object is floating on the water or whether the object sink in the water. So what is your duty? Take 10, 20 objects, which is easily available in your house, and just try. Now, I would like to ask this one to Sudiksha. Sudiksha, show me some smiling face. You're very sad. What is this? This is a coin. Please mute yourself. Okay, because there is an echo. Now, I would like to ask Aishwarya Jangle. She's missing from the class. Okay, Aishwarya, can you
Yes,
guess
sir.
whether this coin will sink or float on the water? Can you guess?
Sink.
Yes, let me try.
Sir, it will sink in the water.
Yes, the coin sink in the water. The coin sink in the water. Now, what we learn, there are some objects which sink in the water, and there are some objects which float on the water. Yes. So when we will provide you the certain object's name, you have to guess, think why they are floating and why they are sinking. What is the reason behind that? If you know the answer, you just try your level. Let it be wrong. If you know why the object is floating on the water, why the object is sinking in the water? If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Yes, I can see the Darsh hand. Any other? Any other? Any other child? If you know the reason, you just try. Yeah, I would like to give chance to Advait Mahajan. Advait.
Sir, the pencil is floating because the pencil is light.
Pencil is light. Please check your camera. I can't see your face. I can see your t-shirt only. Yes, yes. Yes, Advait, your answer is absolutely right. Will you repeat the same? Advait, will you repeat your answer?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
The pencil is floating on the water because the pencil is light.
Pencil's weight is little bit light. Very good. You well tried. Arushi, I want answer from your side. Arushi, yes.
Sir,
Why the-
some heavy things float on the water because it is heavier.
No, but you said something wrong. The light object float on the water and heavy object sink in the water. What man? You tried well, but you confused. Yes. Then let me see the others who is raising their hands. Kasturi. Kasturi. Yes.
Yes. So, just like plastic is sinking because it is
Plastic
very
is
heavy.
sinking. Plastic is sinking. Plastic is floating on the water.
Yes, sir, it's floating
It's
because
floating.
it is very light.
Very light object. Okay, well tried. Now mute yourself. Let me give other student chance. Now I would like to give Karthik Saturwar. Karthik. Yes, please tell me your opinion.
Sir, if a object has a hole in it, then it sink.
Hmm. Okay, and then why the objects are floating on the water?
Because the object has a light weight.
Okay, when the object have the light weight, they will float on the water. Okay, well tried. Well, Samiksha Patil, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Because the heavy things sink and the light things sink. Light
Okay.
things not sink, they will float.
On the water. Very good, you well tried, but there is some scientific words are there behind. There is scientific reasons are behind. These some objects have high density. Why? What is mean by the high density? These word, if you read the textbook in bracket, it is given. Children may not know. No problem. I am helping you. High density. The molecules are more closer in this object, and because of that, they are sinking in the water. And some objects whose the molecules are little bit separated and they are light in weight, they are floating on the objects. Now I am giving you chance. Please listen carefully. No. Now next question. I'm going to the next. Be ready for the next question.
Sir, I have also a question.
Yeah. Afterward we'll discuss. Darsh. Now you will tell me one object name which will float on the water or an object which will sink in the water. If you raise your hand, you will get chance. Please listen. If you raise your hand, you will get chance. If you have an object with you, please tell me the name of an object. You pour it in the water and tell sir this is the object and this will float or this will sink. Those who are raising hand, they will get chance. Okay. First Shikhar Prajapati, then Arya Karatmol. First Shikhar, then Arya. Yes, Arya, I'm just doing pin up to you. Please show me your glass and your object. Yes. Please show me your camera is off. Arya Karatmol, your camera is off.
Sir, it is on.
I can't see you. Check once again. I will give you chance later on. Okay? No problem. I can't see you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. It's happened due to network issue maybe there. I would like to give chance to Darsh Telang. Darsh? Yes. If you have the glass and object, please show me the object and
Sir,
glass.
but I have to tell you one thing.
Okay, okay. I will give. Yes, yes. Come on.
The
Thermocol.
float because it is type of plastic only. Light
Okay,
plastic.
well tried, well tried. Okay, no problem. Very good. Now, please, you mute yourself. Dash Telang, please, you continue.
When I put cotton, it sink. When I put coin, it also sink. When I plastic can, it floats.
Okay, okay, well tried, well tried. Now, please mute yourself. Or now, please, if you are raising your hand, then only you are getting chance. Advait got the chance. Aditi is waiting since long. Those who
Sir?
got in earlier questions, if you got the chance in earlier questions, please wait. Let me give other student chance.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a shell.
Okay. Now you put it in the. Can you guess it whether it will sink or float?
Sir, I think it will sink.
Okay. Put it in the water and tell me your observation.
Sir, it is sinking
Okay. Why it is sinking?
because it is heavier than water.
Okay, it is heavier than water. Very nice. Yes, please, others raise your hand. So I will give chance. Kasturi, Samiksha, you got the chance. I want new children. Yes, Arav Chidrewar is waiting. Yes, Arav. Please show me your glass and object.
Sir, eraser.
Eraser. Yes, you guess yourself first. What will happen? It will sink or it will float? Huh?
It will sink.
Okay, show me. Why it is sinking?
Because it has heavy weight than
Heavy
water.
weight. Yes, it is. Its density is more. Okay. Now, any other child who is raising his or her hand? Samiksha got. Yeah, Komal. I can see the Komal. Komal. Yes.
Yes, sir. I have
Yes.
sharpener.
Yes. Show me. Yeah. Now you guess first whether it will sink or float.
Sir, it will sink.
Okay. Show me. Okay. Yeah, okay. Nice. Why it is sinking?
Because it is heavier than
Okay, well tried, well tried. Your answer is right. And now I can see Shaurya Ubale, a new student. Shaurya Ubale, yes. Please show me. May I know the object name? What is there in your hand? Shaurya,
Sir,
please show me a
this is
small
thing that
object.
I have
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, you take any, pick up anyone. Yeah, please pick up anyone. What is this?
And this is a cap of medicine.
Okay, medicine bottle. Yeah, yeah. Cap up a medicine bottle. Now you are. Now, can you guess whether it will float or it will sink?
It will be float.
Okay. Now put in the water. Oh yes, your answer is why it is floating.
The water.
Why it is floating in the water?
Because it is plastic.
It is made up of a plastic and its weight is very, very light. Yes, Yuvraj, please pay attention here. Don't talk with others. Yes, Arushi, would you like to add something more? Arushi,
Yes, sir.
your camera is off.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Sir, this is water.
Yes.
Now I will add a tape in this. It will float.
It will float. Why it is floating?
What, sir?
Hmm?
What you say now?
Yes.
It will float in the water.
Okay, it's floating in the water. Okay, dear children, now I would like to tell something more. Please mute Arushi. A little bit echo is there. One more girl I asked earlier, but I could not see her. Arya. Arya? Where is Arya? Arya, can you hear me? Arya Kharatmol, can you hear me? I can't see you. Arya Kharatmol, can you hear me? Okay, I think she may have some network. Yeah. Now it's time to show the experiment. If you switch on your camera and show me the glass and objects with you. जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट आप कर रहे हैं आप अपने पास ले लो और उसको दिखाओ कि आप वो सिंक कर रहे हैं या फ्लोट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि सभी बच्चों को ये चांस देना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है ना. या समीक्षा, आई कैन सी समीक्षा, दर्श, कस्तूरी, then Arushi, then Brahma Pingale. Brahma Pingale, please show me. Brahma Pingale, please show me. Please speak out. Tell me the object name. Yeah, you are doing something, but if you answer, what is that?
Toy. It is a toy.
Toy. Okay, toy is made of a plastic or a wood?
Plastic.
Okay, now whether it will sink or float?
Sink.
Sinker, okay. Come on, try. I think it is floating.
Can I show?
Yeah, I am seeing, I am observing it. Okay, Arya, who is this? Brahma, I think so. Brahma Pingale, you want to show me something?
Yes, sir. It is a sinking.
Okay, that toy may have some metal part inside. We don't know. Okay, it happens. Okay, let's move ahead. So what we observe, what we learn. Please wait, Arav. I will give you chance afterward. Please wait. So first part we have finished. There are some objects. They are floating on the water, or some of them are sinking in the water. Now, in your textbook, this activity is there. Their object name also mentioned. If you have the textbook, please take with you and you just glance there. I'm just helping you. If you have textbook, if you don't have, no need to worry. Mark the things that float and mark those who are sinking. So one is the right tick mark, one is the wrong tick mark you have to mention. First of all, in the first column, you have to guess it. And in the last column, when you observe it, and then you have to put the appropriate tick mark. Okay. So most of the things are easily available in your house. Most of the things are easily available. If you don't have, you can guess and you can discuss with your parents. Samyak Shelar, look at me. Please active in the class. Listen your friends' answers. Now, after this, when you do this experiment in your house, after that, there are 3 fill in the blanks. You try it. In next period, I will share the answers. How many of you have done correctly? In next period, I will share the answers also. Now next, we'll move to the next. We'll move to the next. What is that? There is information about the Dead Sea. There is the information about the Dead Sea. And then we will do the another experiment. Yes. Anybody can tell me about the Dead Sea? If you know, please raise your hand. Please do not interrupt in between. If you raise your hand, you will get chance. If you know about Dead Sea, please raise your hand. You will get chance. Kasturi and Shaurya, only 2 girls are active. Only 2 girls. I would like to give chance Kasturi. Kasturi, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, Dead Sea is very dirty. Anyone can jump at it. It can float.
Okay.
I can get.
Okay, Kasturi. Now I would like to give chance to Shaurya. Shaurya.
Sir,
Yes.
see, there was more salt, so much salt. That's why there was no animal by the salt, and we float on Dead Sea. But when we come out from the Dead Sea, then we want to जब हम बाहर आते हैं डेड सी के बाद तो फिर हमें बहुत प्यास लगती है.
Okay. Now, well tried, Shaurya Ugle. You well tried to explain. Okay. Anybody read something more about the Dead Sea? Yes. Will you raise your hand? You will get chance. Either I have to explain you. Yes, Gaurav. Would you like to say something? You are confused. Yes, Gaurav. I want to give
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, come on.
Dead Sea have more quantity of salt,
Yes.
so any animal or anything can float on it,
Hmm.
and no one can be alive in it because it has so salt,
Hmm.
and it is so rare, so it's found in some places.
Oh, very nice information by Gaurav. That's why if your camera is on, accordingly I will give you the chance. Very nice. Komal, what Gaurav said, can you repeat the same? Komal, what Gaurav said, have you heard? Komal,
Yes,
switch
sir.
off your camera. Why you switch off?
He say that in Dead
Switch
Sea
your
there is
camera
a
first.
so. Sir, my camera is on.
Okay, there may be some technical problem. Okay, you go ahead, no problem.
Sir, Gaurav is said that
Hmm.
in Dead Sea there is so salt. Sodium is very is there, and it was very rare that that Dead Sea was found in some areas.
Okay, very good. So, very good answers by 2, 3 students. Very nice. So, Dead Sea is famous for his saltness, for his bitter taste. So, when we try to swim in that water, we will float. If we don't know how to swim in that water, even though we can swim, because of that water has more density. This word is little bit, you may not familiar with. Arav Chidrevar, will you mute yourself please? Okay, thank you. Now children, after this, we have small experiment. There are so many food atoms or the atoms which is easily available in your house. Now, if you have the glass and certain atoms, there are certain objects, certain things in your house. We have to add it in the glass and we have to observe it. Now I'm asking Piyush to add. Now Piyush only will show you. Now first, what is this? I would like to ask some new child. Ishan Hegde, what is this? Can you guess it? Ishan. Ishan Hegde, passive listener. What is this? Huh?
Spoiled lemon.
Hello?
Spoiled lemon.
Okay. Spoiled lemon, no problem. Now I am adding some lemon juice in this. Can you see the lemon juice in the water?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No. This dissolve, this mix in the water. When any object, when we add it in the water, when it disappears, or sometimes the color may be changed, that is called as dissolve. That is called as dissolve. There are certain atoms, they dissolve in the water. So I shown you the lemon juice. I'm just adding more lemon juice, if you can see. And this lemon juice is added in the water and it's dissolved. I cannot separate it now. I cannot separate it now. Now I would like to show you some more things. Now there is a salt. Please check your mic. Utkarsh Bayeskar,
Yes, sir.
please mute yourself. Okay. Now I'm adding some salt. If you can see the salt is in white. I'm just adding, you can see in the video, I'm just adding some pinch of salt in the water. If you have, you can also add. When I add it, I'm just stirring the water. If you see it, please try to stir it so that it will dissolve fast. It will dissolve fast. So
Sir, it is mixed.
it is mixed. This is called as dissolve. In English, This is called as soluble. The salt is soluble. The lemon juice is soluble. It's dissolved and it's mixed with the water. We cannot separate them. As on, we cannot see the different two objects as we saw in our earlier experiment. There are certain objects, they are sinking, they are floating, but here they are mixing each other. And that's why it is called as they dissolve, and the salt and the lemon juice is soluble in the water. Now, please.
How you can see the chocolates soaking the water?
Yeah, the chalk is not soaking, but if you make the chalk powder, and if you add it in the water, when you stir it, even chalk powder also mix and soluble in the water. Please, Kasturi, you try here only. Take a small piece of a chalk, make it, crunch it, and make a powder, and you add it. Anybody have any other objects? Shubhra?
Sir, I put salt
Sir,
in
I
water.
have chanas and rajma.
No, Shubhra is listening.
Sir,
Like that.
Oh,
That's why
sir,
I
I
asked.
put salt.
Advait, yes, what you want to say?
Sir, I put salt in the water. It dissolved.
Okay, it's dissolved. It is soluble or insoluble?
Sir, it was salty.
It is soluble in the water. The salt is soluble. Now I am showing you something more. Do you know the turmeric? Turmeric.
I take salt, no sugar.
Now I'm
Sugar.
taking a pinch of the turmeric. Turmeric is in yellow in color. Yeah, sugar. I also have the sugar. Now I added some turmeric powder. Now what is the color of this water now?
Yellow.
Yellow. Means the turmeric also soluble in water. Now Piyush is eating sugar here. If you see, Piyush is eating sugar. Now I'm adding some pinch of the sugar grains. You can see. Now the water is already yellow. Even sugar is dissolved or not? Sugar is soluble or not?
Yes.
Ansh Khedekar. Ansh Khedekar.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me your observation. Sugar is soluble or not?
Sir, can you tell again what you said?
Means you are not active. Ansh?
Sir, I'm not here. Sir, I'm not in attend class. I'm not feeling well.
Okay, no problem. You take rest.
I
You
was
take
not
rest.
Chalk powder and I'm adding it.
Okay, you are adding your chalk powder, and afterward you tell me your observation. Yes, Shaurya Ugle, tell me.
Sir,
I have add sugar.
Okay, now you tell me whether the sugar is soluble or not.
Sir, it is soluble.
Okay. Sugar is soluble in the water. Now in the textbook, salt, soil, even soil. If you have the soil, chalk powder.
Can I add chalk powder if the color is changed?
Color is changed. It is whitish in color. 1 spoon milk. If anybody have the milk nearby to you in your house, take your mother's permission and bring 2 drops of milk and add it in the water and see whether it is soluble or not. Yeah, I can see it. Who's this? Shaurya Ugle? I saw your experiment.
Sir, I'm new. First
Yeah. What's your name? Sanvi Magar. Can you show me your face?
Yes.
Sanvi, I want to see you. Sanvi Magar.
Yes, sir. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see your 2 horns also, like this. Okay, nice to see you and welcome to our class. I'm teaching you EVS. When you join, I don't know, but welcome.
I just joined now.
Okay, now do you have any glass with you like this, as I told you?
Yes.
Okay, show me your glass.
I don't have it now. I'll just bring it.
Okay, now I'm assigning you one work. You bring the water in a glass, the transparent glass, and 2-3 drops of milk. Okay, you bring the milk in the spoon and you just add in front of me, and you tell me whether the milk is soluble in water or not. This is the work for you. Please go in the kitchen and
Yes, milk is soluble, but you will need water.
just one by one. Others, please mute yourself. Sanvi, you got the assignment?
First, we'll need water and we'll pour in the milk in the water.
Will you bring a glass of water and a spoon
Yes.
milk? Is
Yes.
available? Please
Yes,
bring
it's
it and show me the smallest. Yeah, I will give you 2 minutes time.
Sir,
I'm waiting for you.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Advait, please tell me. Yes, Advait.
sir, I put some jeera in the water. It is
Huh?
floating.
It is floating, but what we are doing now, we are learning about the object which soluble in the water and the object which are insoluble in the water. Now jeera. Okay, no problem. Now jeera is soluble or insoluble? Please tell me.
Sir, insoluble.
Insoluble. It will not mix with the water. We can extract, we can separate the jeera from the water. Very good, Advait. Piyush Das is dancing. Piyush Das, would you like to say something? Piyush.
Sir, I want to say something.
Shaurya, please mute yourself now. I have given you twice chance. I'm asking Piyush Das.
Hello, sir. I got water.
Okay. And where is the milk? As I asked you to bring just 2 drops of milk. Okay.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Now pour it in the water. Just pour it. Just keep it. Show me. Look at me. Just show me like this way. I can't see your glass. Do like this. Yes. So all children, you can see Sanvi Magar. Now she is pouring some milk. Okay. Enough. Don't waste it. Now, okay. Wait. Whether the milk is soluble in the water?
Yes.
Yes. Milk and water mix together, and so milk is soluble in the water. So this is our observation. Okay. Now, if you have the textbook Sanvi Magar, on page number 64, this table you have to complete in your class notebook. Okay, Sanvi?
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you. So today we learn 2 assignments, 2 activities, the water experiment. So this is instructions to one and all with your parents' permission. With your parents' permission, you do this. Yeah, Advait, I saw it. So with your parents'
Sir, I
permission,
put the milk in the glass.
will you, okay, now please mute yourself. I'm telling to all, there are so many objects or things or mentioned in your textbook. You can take your own. It is not necessary that you have to take only the things which is mentioned in the textbook. Whatever objects available in your house, you take it. Do the experiment, whether they are sinking, floating, soluble, insoluble, and you have to make 2 lists, 2 charts as is given on page number 64 and page number 62. This is only the assignment classwork. I'm making a window where you have to upload it. I'm making the window in the Google Classroom where you have to upload your work. I hope this is clear. What is
Sir,
the
can
work
you
given to- I am repeating the same. The work is do the experiment yourself, observe it, whether the object is floating on the water, whether the object is sinking in the water. The object which is mentioned in the textbook, it may not be available with you. You can take your own objects. Okay. And the second one is, there are certain things in your kitchen. You take it, try to collect it and put it in the water and observe whether the object is soluble in the water, whether the object is insoluble in the water. For example, I'm showing you this is a spoon. And when I'm adding the spoon in the water, but this spoon is insoluble. The spoon is not soluble in the water. Now I'm adding some flour, the wheat flour, आटा, गेहूं का आटा मैंने इसमें. At certain level, it's soluble in the water. It's mix it. इसमें ये mix हो जाता है. But we can extract it. हम उसको अलग से कर भी सकते हैं. Okay? So we learn about the soluble, insoluble, floating object, and sinking object. The chapter is very easy. For better understanding, I have already shared you the video link also. You can see it and understand in a better way. Okay?
Okay. Now I have to take the picture of the chart which I have made and post it in
Yes.
in a form of PDF.
Yes. Now first you do the work in the notebook. Okay. Either you can do the work directly in the textbook also. No problem.
Before this, do we have did any work in notebook?
No. This is only 2 tables I am given you. Okay. If you have objects are different, no problem. You just mention the name of that object and you can do this experiment. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the work, a very simple work. And I have already attached 2 videos, some Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, go through it. In next period, we will continue the same discussion. In next period, we will continue the same discussion. But today, Arav is late. Arav, you are late joined and I didn't saw you in last 2-3 period. Now, the instructions for examination. At 11:30, the paper will be opened in your Google Classroom. Please, MCQ. First, you attempt the MCQ and submit it. Read properly questions. After that, you can write the questions answers in your notebook or on a paper. Please don't forget to write your name and roll number. And same is to be uploaded in the Google Classroom before 5 p.m. or latest up to 8 o'clock. If your parent is working, up to 8 o'clock. If any problem, you just SMS me, WhatsApp me, don't call me directly. Please wait for the answer. I have a meeting. I will be in another meeting. I'm joining with mobile's internet. So it's my humble request to one and all. Please message me if any problem. Write answer in full sentences, neat and clean handwriting. And please, when you are attaching it, make it PDF. Yesterday, I saw some children up to 10 o'clock, you have not done your work. Some of you, some are very smart. They have finished it before 1 o'clock. So 11:30 to 1 o'clock is your timing. I expect your answer up to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. If your parent is not at home, up to 8 o'clock. And please inform me. Okay. So this is about the PT1 test. Now those who understand today's work, you best of luck for your exam. They can leave the class. And if you have any doubt, please wait for a few minutes.
Have a nice day, sir.
I have doubts so much.
Have a nice day,
Bye,
sir.
bye. Have a nice
I have a doubt.
Sir, how?
I have a doubt.